Hey guys, you're looking at another nice and clean, reliable arrival here at Car City in Palatine. This is 2007 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive, 107,000 miles, black on beige leather interior, very nice looking vehicle inside and out, nice looking body, is in great shape, alloy wheels, beautiful Bridgestone tires, all matching all around. Nice and clean, well maintained, low mileage, all-wheel drive, that's what you need. Xenon headlights, fog lamps, runs and drives great, very well maintained. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, beautiful factory wood trim, leather interior, nice and clean. It's got heated and cooled seats, Bluetooth, 107,000 miles on the dash. It's got navigation, rear view camera, heated and cooled seats, as I said, beautiful factory wood trim, push start button, keyless entry, fog lamps and xenon headlights, as I mentioned before. It's got clean headliner with the sunroof. It runs and drives great. Let's take a peek on the back seat. Nice and clean as well. It's been detailed. Front row ready unit. Any questions, please give us a call at 847-496-4250. Check our website for more information, pictures, videos, and the free Carfax report is available as well. Alloy wheels, as I said, nice Bridgestone tires. Let's take a peek under the hood. It's a reliable, guys. This is a Lexus. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle with a low miles, very well maintained and kept. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 847-496-4250. Check our website for more information, pictures, videos, and a free Carfax report. Give us a call or simply stop by and visit our store. We're located on Rand Road in Palatine, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching.